It's Friday, and Friday is often the favourite day of the week for many people. For years, lots of people have been charmed by the American restaurant chain, Thank God It's Friday. I remember way back in the late 1980s when Cadbury Chocolate had ads promoting crunchies, and it was all about saying, thank God it's Friday, you've got to get that Friday feeling. It was raining heavily all day today in Cork, and it's not difficult to imagine a seed buried deep in the soil, a seed enveloped in darkness, a seed trying to grow. All day today, I was working on a funding application to help create employment and enterprise in Zimbabwe. The process was difficult, but hopefully it will give fruit. Lent, lived well, helps you to break through the darkness that cradles you. Lent, lived well, helps us to listen to the silent sound of growing. On this Friday, just after Ash Wednesday, I invite you to pray with me. Come, die to your seed-like condition. Break through the darkness that has cradled your life. Pierce the hard husk of all that we cling to. Urge us to listen to the quiet sound of growing. Oh, come.